Let's play with our Legos. What are you doing? What's that?
Under arrest.
Under arrest? That's the bad guy. Can I see his face? Yeah, it's a bad guy. And we have a helicopter. What happened to your helicopter? You just like fixed the blade. Can I see? Oh, it's still working though. We have a Lego helicopter.
Guys, why don't you're just like
Doing that. So this is the police station. And this is the fire. Oh my god, it's burning. Police station is burning. Wait, that's the water? Yeah. Oh, don't shoot. Oh my god. You're shooting at me. There's the fire. One more fire. So this one has a... Where's that water cannon, I think?
So you use it with your hands.
No, the other one, the blue thingy, the water for this one here.
No, it's out.
It's out?
Yeah.
So we have a fire in here. One more left.
Wait.
Yeah, the fire station is burning. And this is the Godzilla. Someone make a Godzilla. Oopsie. There's the police car there. I see it. How come it is a poop? There's...
I'm so laughing.
Yeah. This is a Batman Lego. No. Yeah, where's the other parts? It's amazing. What is he doing? What is he doing?
Putting out the fire.
Putting out the fire. What's the time now?
10:01.
It's 10:01. Nah, it's kind of late today. Jail time. I need the police cars going. Oh no! Is that a tower? Yeah, I think so, eh? Where's the pilot? Pilot! Is the evil guy.
No!
No? Let me see what's inside. Oh, there's a ladder inside.
No! No,
Yeah.
it's that. If someone gets hurt, they will bring that thing out.
Just like a bed? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. If someone gets hurt.
I wonder. So there's a ladder in the helicopter. Oh.
No ladder.
How does it work, eh?
No ladder.
They need only a roof. I want to say this. Oops. What is this thing?
It's a fire bike.
Fire bike.
Yeah, I want this.
Yeah, with his holes in here. What happened there? Something happened here. Oh my god. Look at him. Look at this. Is this Joker? Oh no. I thought it's Joker. But it's not. I think this is one of the good guy.
No.
No? Are you sure about that? Can I see the policeman? Can I see his face? He has a shield. Oh!
Here's my...
Hey there, operator. I need help. I need help in there.
No! How? No help.
No help.
Papa, leave him alone.
I am leaving him alone.
Then get mad if this broken, Papa.
Oh,
Then no.
Marco? Yeah, huh? All the time, eh? Yeah, it's always a grumpy man. Oh my god, you bumped it! It's going down! It's going down! It's going down!
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Papa, look.
It's hanging.
Papa,
We need help.
Papa,
We need the helicopter.
that's your car.
Yeah, that's my car.
It's
No!
garbage land. It's garbage land.
Dead.
It's a garbage land.
It's in the garbage land out there. There's some part of Legos. What do you have? I think I need a rescue helicopter. A rescue bike.
No, it's a fire bike.
Fire bike. Fire bike.
Fire, 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 fire,
Fire bike.
I
Fire
see
bike.
ladybug.
Ladybug. Ladybug. Where are you, Ladybug?
Zoom in.
Yeah, I just did. It's alive?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
rolling. It's alive.
It's growing. Yes. Yeah, it's good for our plants in there. For
It's
our
a
calamansi
nail.
and banana. Banana. I want to eat.
I think it's a nail.
There you go. Now it's working. Can you do it fast? Fast, 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 fast. There you go. I need some rescue in there.
It's in garbage land.
Garbage land.
In garbage land. I think one is hurt. Garbage land. No
I
one
think
would.
someone. I think the driver is hurt.
No one
There's
would.
no driver.
No one would.
That's why.
No one would ever want to go in garbage land. It's so stinky.
It's stinking. There's a
Also-
Baco doing some cleaning. And there's a dinosaur too in the garbage land. Look at that.
Impossible.
Impossible.
Also, there's
Impossible.
also Mechagodzilla is getting built.
Godzilla.
Mechagodzilla is getting built in
Oopsie.
garbage land.
One drop this part.
Well, Papa.
Yeah, do the blade running. Come on. There you go.
I have the wheel.
Yeah, it has a wheel.
Okay, I'm going to name this Mechagodzilla the T-Rex. Get it?
T-Rex Mega Godzilla.
T-Rex is named Mechagodzilla. My T-Rex is going to be named Mechagodzilla. Oh my god, this is so hard. Oh, you. Papa, can you find the red guy?
The red guy?
Yeah.
For that one?
Yeah.
Spider-Man?
No.
No? Oh, it's Carnage, right? That part is for Carnage. I didn't see him either.
You didn't. Was it actually?
No.
Did I scare you?
Not really.
Not you. You didn't scared me.
He just got scared you too. Where is...
Yeah, me
You have Carnage? Carnage guy? Oopsie! Tipping this Legos is gonna be hard for you. Can you see how it works? Oh, and it's... Oh yeah, it's really on his head. On his neck.
His head's not.
Can I see it? Oh, this is what it looks like.
Spider-Man.
Carnage guy! Where's that Spidey guy?
His name is Spider-Man, not Spidey.
It's Spidey. Come on, where's that Spidey? Spider-Man.
It looks like that.
Oh! What's his hands? Is that a spider webby?
Yeah.
Yeah? So I'm the Carnage. Let's fight together! Let's fight together!
It was on the floor because it cannot.
Oh, it can fly?
Yeah.
Okay. have a fight. Carnage is losing. You need to get up.
Spider-Man, he always wins.
He's in the top of the helicopter blade. Oh my god. Smashing satellite tower. Who's this guy?
As an enemy.
An enemy? Can I see his face?
Who's this guy riding the guide?
They're riding the glide. They're flying there.
No, Spider-Man.
Maybe 2 in 1.
Well,
Spider-Man is dead.
Well, Spider-Man, tell me. Well, Spider-Man, tell me. Tell me about Spidey. Anyone here? Anyone? Motorcycle.
Motorcycle? He can ride a motorcycle too?
Yeah.
Oh, where is that? I think it's too big for the motorcycle.
No.
Yeah?
No, he's the.
He's a driver?
No, he's the enemy. Remember?
Yeah. He's riding on it. Oh yeah. Oops. Hey, where's my bike? I'm coming for you.
I'm gonna get you.
Like having a backflip in there.
Oh my god.
Breaking the motorcycle, motorbike.
my god.
That's getting weird. We need a police car. So strong.
What's your name? Me. I already destroyed it. I block you away. Marco. I block your heart. I block you. I'll never get over here. Get over here. You never get me. Who's you?
Who's driving? Pilot inside. It's all down.
I'm gonna open the love Spider-Man. Tell me.
He's eating the pilot too.
Tell me, let's see. I was lucky. Get out, get out, get out.
Get the Godzilla!
No one knows the Spider-Man. Do you know the Spider-Man is true?
Mega Godzilla's king!
Now it's all good. Only Carnage is having fun. Nothing else. Breaking also the police car there. Oh my god, there's nothing left. Only Carnage. I think we're gonna end this video right now. There's no one thing.
Bye!